Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I want to show you how to go about the cookie Socialfi airdrop, which is this, and how to do this MOJO Airdrop, also Socialfi, which will be ending in less than 7 days. Then in subsequent days, I will show you how to do some tags on these yarn heroes. Like you've seen quite a number of tasks that I've completed on these yarn heroes. So you can register here if you are yet to, you can do the tasks you are able to do. So I will explain how to do this the MOJO airdrop, and this ready airdrop as well is a very simple airdrop. This ready is not a Socialfi airdrop. It's just a simple task you're going to be doing on this airdrop. You're not even doing any tax here, actually. You open this link on your OKX browser, tab browser. You click on Connect Wallet. I click on this Connect Wallet, then I'll click on this rainbow because I don't have my OKX installed on this system, so I won't be able to do this here. It's just something simple. Just click on Connect Wallet, select OKX. As you can see, I don't know why they insisted on OKX actually, but you just click on select OKX. It will connect your wallet automatically. Then you click on this ready logo here, this balloon logo, and you see claim. That's it. Then go back the subsequent day, the following day, to claim every 24 hours. It's just like miming, but you are connecting your the link. You click on, I'll drop this link to the description box of this video. Check the registration link in the description box of this video. So once you click on the link, connect it to your OKX wallet. Then click on this icon here, this balloon icon. Then click on claim and go back to claim every 24 hours. That's it for this ready. So let me go to cookie. Let me go to MOJO. The second one is the MOJO Airdrop. This is a Socialfi airdrop where you have to do just like the param, the block, the imaginary ones, and trip, all of those ones that we've been farming as well. So for this MOJO, as I said earlier, is ending in less than 7 days because today is gone already. So you are to do all of these tags. These are the social tags you have to do on this MOJO. On this MOJO. So guys, this is for the MOJO airdrop, and you can see all of the tags you have to do on this airdrop. Now the basic thing to do about this MOJO airdrop is, I think the tedious one is this: complete a run in GoGo MOJO. This is a game you have to complete. Once you click on this complete a run in GoGo MOJO, it's going to take you to the game, and you'll be seeing create account at the top corner of the page, something like this. So if you click on that create account, you'll be seeing create account at the top corner of the page. Create account with the same email you use in registering for this MOJO. You have to use the same email so that they will be able to verify it. So once you use the same email to create accounts, then just play the game. For those that are familiar with Subway Surfer, those are the that's the kind of game they have here on this MOJO as well. It's like Subway Surfer, where you'll be going from left to right, jumping and all of that. So that's for the this complete a one in JoJo. Then you have to like a post. You had MOJO to your description, to your username on Twitter. Then you have to you follow, you like, all of the other tags are simple. Connect a Web3 wallet. You connect your Ethereum wallet address. You connect your X account. Connect your tweet about MOJO. I made a tweet. I'll be dropping the tweet link to the description box or the comment section. Check the description box for the tweet link, so you can use my tweet as guide on how to treat correctly on every of these Socialfi airdrop. We are currently farming param, we are farming bubbles from the imaginary one. We are farming cookie. I'll be going to into cookie explanation now. And we are farming MOJO, we are farming block snapshot to be taken tomorrow, 8th of April 2024. Block snapshots will be taken tomorrow, meaning that all of the block you've earned so far will be calculated, and that's what you're gonna be receive your airdrop with. So block param trip from overtrip.com beyond cookie MOJO. I think there are about 7 or 8 of them, and every they just concluded the season 1, and they'll be coming up with their season 2, which is yet to be announced. So the season 1 claiming is coming up by April 15th. They've listed on Bybit already. That's for every. So if you miss the season 1 or your KYC is still pending, just stay tuned for the season 2 and make sure you resubmit your KYC for those that did the every airdrop. So this one we have now is cookie. I'll be talking about cookie. I've explained how to do the MOJO airdrop. It's just this one is a simple task actually. The only tedious one is the only one that needs explanation here is just the complete one in a MOJO, in a Google MOJO. Just use the same email you used to create to register on this MOJO to create an account on the gaming site as well. So they'll be able to verify it. The verification is automatic, and that's all you need to do here. Then you make a tweet, like, comment, repost to earn more points. That is about this MOJO. Then I talked about this REDY Airdrop that you have to claim on your OKX wallet. Ready that you claim on OKX. So you connect your, I mentioned how you are going to claim the REDY Airdrop here. Where did I put it? So you claim the REDY Airdrop on OKX, and you just go in every day to click on claim as well. So you check that. You also need to check that out. Now let's go to Cookie Airdrop, and maybe by tomorrow Monday I'll be making a video about this Neon Heroes, how to do the tags and how to do some tags I have completed, and make an explanation about it. So I'll be making videos about this Aeon. And for pump market, for those that have registered, you have to go connect your wallet before 13th of April. You need to connect your wallet before 13th of April. I'm trying to make a recap about all of these things, so that some people don't watch videos steadily. So if we are watching this video and everything that I've mentioned here applies to you, and you're yet to do any of them, take your position. And that's why I'm making a recap, so everyone will know where we are and what we are currently doing. I've talked about the pump. Go and link your wallet before 13th of April. I'll drop the registration link to the pump, and as well to this Heroes. I'll make forthcoming videos about how to do some tags on this Neon Heroes rather. Then I've explained MOJO. I've explained Ready. Just register, connect your OKX wallet, click on connect, and click on the balloon icon at the top of the page to claim your airdrop every 24 hours. So now the last but not the least is the cookie airdrop. I hope you guys have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, then do well to take your position immediately, so you don't miss out on my subsequent updates. You don't miss out on the withdrawal information, back-to-back updates, left and right, front, center. So make sure you are stay tuned, be an active viewer, watch videos so that you will learn. So that's it for this now let's go to the cookie airdrop. On the cookie airdrop, you'll be needing a Mrs. browser. If you don't have a PC, even with this MOJO airdrop as well, you need a Mrs. browser to be able to work on this, because you are connecting your wallet, and in doing wallet connection you might be having some kind of issue. So use a Mrs. browser, or you use a PC if you have one. So if you don't have a PC, use a Mrs. browser. Then you connect your wallet on the Ethereum network. You see here, I'll just switch to Ethereum. then confirm in wallet. Then after you're done connecting your wallet, you connect your Twitter account. Wallet, so yeah. You connect your X account. So after you're done connecting your wallets, you connect your you come to this how to get started, and you click on or you come to Bakery. If you come to Bakery, you'll be able to see the quest. You click on go to quests, and you'll be able to see some tasks that you can do, the social media tasks. You see what they are doing, the onboarding and all of that. You see, engage with at Cookie3 on Twitter, develop your cookie NFT, and then put your mascots together and help it collect points that will grant you cookie airdrop. So for the points, you go to quests. And guys, you can reach out to me if you are interested in any of my paid services. You want to get the list of potential coins to buy and hold. You want to learn about cryptocurrency from the scratch. You want to learn about futures trading or forex trading. Join my Telegram channel. You can get my WhatsApp contact from there, and you can hit me up on WhatsApp for paid services only, please. Airdrop questions, please drop it here on the comment section on YouTube. Every of my paid services, join the Telegram channel so you can get started. So this is I've done, okay, get the cookie mascot thing. I've done this, that's why I'm claiming. I'm trying to show you the tags. Once you are using Mrs. Browser on this, then you'll be able to do all of these things. It doesn't work on ordinary mobile browser. So you see where I clicked. I click on this check eligibility. Then you click. This is more what you are supposed to, what you have to do. Connect wallet first. Connect your cookie account. So once you click on this check eligibility, you can be able to connect and follow their X account. Then all of this, connect your Telegram, your Discord account. Then you have to have this monster role on the Discord. Maybe by chatting, you can be able to get the monster. Even myself, I've not gotten it. So then we have this 5 quiz, this quiz. So for this quiz, I'm here to answer it, and you can, I think you should be able to see the, let's click on it. What are the 3, this thing on the Explorer? You have to go and read their white paper to be able to answer this quiz correctly. So you have to read them, because these are not ordinary crypto questions. Let me just try. I've not gone through their white paper. What is a new advertising platform? A traditional marketing. A shared economy in the market. I don't know. I'll have to go through their white paper to know if I'm right or wrong. I'm just guessing. I don't know. Oh, okay, after 24 hours, I can be able to answer one. Okay. I missed one. So you have to get this correctly. These 5 trials available to NSP. So those are the number 1 tax. You see this check eligibility. Those are the tax you have to do to get this 100 XP, which will be converted to the airdrop for you. So once you click on the registration link, open it on your Mrs. browser, connect your MetaMask wallet, Ethereum network, then come to this cookie bakery or bakery, or what's it called. Then you'll be able to get go to quests, then answer some of the questions, connect your accounts and all of that, and you are good to go. So that is how this cookie airdrop works. And if you have any question, drop it. Do leave your question in the comment section. Please like, share, and comment and support this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel, and reach out to me for any of my paid services. And drop your comments in the comment section. Drop your questions in the comment section. Like and share this video. See you guys on the next one. Stay tuned, be active on my channel, and bye for now.